Yo, what's up guys? Nate here from Coding with Nate, and we're back with another video. In this video, we are going to be doing part 2 of how to make a Flappy Bird game in Scratch. In this video, we are going to be covering the pipe movement. So, yeah, with that said, let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up a new tab, and you want to search up Flappy Bird Pipes. Alright, oh, my caps lock's on. And then you want to go to images, and you can choose one that you think looks good. So I think I will do this one. So, and then you want to right click on it, and then you want to go down to save image as, and then it should bring you to your files, and you can file name, you can call it Flappy Bird Pipe, and you can press save, and then you want to go back to your Scratch tab. Alright, so once you're back in your Scratch tab, you want to go into your stuff, and you want to go into Flappy Bird. The first thing you want to do is, in your backpack here, you should have something that's like Flappy Bird Pipe PNG. So what you can do is you can go to Paint, and then in your backpack, you can just drag that right up, and that'll take you to a new tab. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to delete the sprite, and you want to go to the Upload Sprite, and then it should take you to your files again. You can click your Flappy Bird Pipe file, and then press Open, and you should have a Flappy Bird Pipe. Alright, so if it has a white background like this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into it. So it's going to be bitmap. You want to take this little tool down here, and you want to get onto the edge of the pipes, and you want to cut the white off pretty much. Alright, and then you can cut it off the top. And you just want to go like this, so you've gotten basically all the white off. And then right in the middle here. Alright, so now that you've gotten the white off, you're going to want to make a couple costumes. The first one, you want to grab it, and then you want to resize it in the middle, and you want it to be probably, make sure it goes to 0, 0. And you want to make sure that it's in the middle, like so. You can convert it back to vector if you want. And I'm just gonna get the pipes right here. And I'm gonna try to make it just around the middle. Maybe what I'll do is I'll convert it back to bitmap. I'll get this, and I'll bring these a little bit closer in. Yeah, that's about good. And then I can bring this back to the top. And now I can grab it all. And then I can move it up a little bit so it's like near the middle. And then I can drag this down. Alright, so that can be one of the costumes. And we will call this 1. We are going to make another costume. We're going to duplicate. What we're going to do is we're going to take the top pipe, and we're going to bring it down. And we're going to take the bottom pipe, and we're going to bring it down. And then we can duplicate the first pipe again, so it'll be named 3. I'll take the top pipe, move it up, and the bottom pipe, and move it down. So this will give some randomness. Alright, just make sure there's good separation in your pipes. And then what you want to do is you are going to want to write this code. So you are going to do, when I receive green flag, hide, so that you can't see it in the menu. And then when the game starts, you want to show, or no, we don't want to show. We want to make a variable, and we're going to do for this sprite only, and we're going to do wait time, okay, and we're going to click OK, and we're going to do forever. We're going to wait time, seconds, and then we want to create a clone of myself. Alright, so turn down this wait time, make sure you can't see it on there, and at the start we're going to set wait time to, let's say, 3 seconds. Alright, so we're going to do a when I started clone. We are going to do go to x0, or no, y0, and then our x, I want to make it go to the end, so for me that is 213. Alright, so you just put in whatever that x value is for you. Alright, and then what we want to do is we want to go, basically we want to go glide 0, glide, let's do, make a variable, let's call it speed. The spread only once again. And what we're going to do is at the start we're going to set speed to, let's say, 5. We can always test this. And we're going to glide speed seconds to the other side. So we got to make this negative 213. And then we want to delete this clone at the end. Alright, so now should happen. Oh, we gotta make it show. Okay. And we are gonna do at the start, because in here we have wait till any of this is pressed. We're gonna do wait till any of this is pressed here. So we can just duplicate that by dragging it right into this pipe sprite. And we'll put this right here. Alright, so now should happen is once the 3 seconds is done, and it should be coming in. Perfect. One thing we gotta do is before we show, we're gonna switch costume to pick random 1 to 3. Alright, so now should have some randomization in the costumes. Should come in. And yep, it should be random. So as you can see, we can go right through the pipe, which is a problem. So what I want to do is we want to drag another when I start as clone in. Okay, we're going to do when I start as clone, we're going to do forever if touching, and then we're going to do if touching the player, we want to broadcast game over. And then what we'll want to do is, just to show that this is working, we will want to stop all. Alright, so now I can play this. One thing that I want to do is I want to make this go before this, so that when we press space, it instantly spawns. Alright. Perfect. So now if we touch it, it should stop all, and that would happen. Perfect. Alright. So, one final thing for this one, and then we'll get into the other one. We are going to, well, actually 2 final things. First thing we want to do is before we delete this clone, we want to drag two change variables blocks. We want to do change speed and change wait time. And we are going to do an if, actually, on both of them. Okay. And we are going to do if speed not less than, say, 2.5, so it can't go too fast. We're going to change speed by negative 0.1. And we are going to do if not wait time. We're going to change this to wait time, and we will do, say, 1 second, change wait time by negative 0.1. Alrighty. And then we want to go into our player sprite, and we are going to do forever if, let's see where it is down here. We're going to do when I receive play game, forever if y is less than 123. So if y position is less than negative 123, we can grab our y position block up here, and we are going to do broadcast game over. And then really quickly, we will just do when I receive game over, we are just going to hide. Alright, so now, play this. Should have a working pipe system. If we touch one of the pipes, the game should stop. Everything hides. Perfect. If we go down and touch the bottom, the pipes don't stop. We want to do when I receive game over, and here we want to delete these clones. Alright, perfect. So now, hopefully should happen is if we go down, it should hide. Perfect. Alright, so that is going to be it for this Scratch tutorial. Real quickly, we need to make this negative 0.1, not negative 1.0. Alright, so yeah, that's going to be it for this Scratch tutorial. Make sure that you save your project before you go out. And yeah, with that, I'm Nate from Coding with Nate, and I'll see you in the next one.